A brief overview of ecological activities. Strategic decisions. Here, the player can decide on the type of production, distribution of profit from operations, as well as change the breed of cows and herd size. Each time, after selecting an action, on the right you can check how indicators have changed, depending on the decision made since you started the game. Land and use management. In this tab, you can select crop rotation and how to use green areas, permanent and temporary. Feeding system. Here you can choose the feeding system for cows and heifers. It should be borne in mind that the feeding system should be consistent with plant production, and therefore these changes can be also made here. Cows. In this tab, you can change the type of keeping, the feeding system, introduce additional concentrated fats that increase milk production, and determine how to prevent mastitis. Soil management. Here you can specify soil cultivation and straw management. Plant production management. This is the place when the fertilization method, the level of chemical protection of plants, and other parameters affecting plants' production are determined. Landscape management. Here you can specify the type of green infrastructure and tree cover, agroforestry. Heifers and fatting cattle. This is the place when you can change the system for maintaining heifers and bulls, the feeding system, and the way of managing the groups of animals. Fertilization. Here you can change the method of fertilization and manure production, which is a consequence of the way animals are kept. Warehouse. The last button gives no possibility of indicating changes, but this is a place where you can check the important indicators characterizing the production of the farm. These include profits and costs, subsidies, sales of plant and animal production or labor inputs. This interface allows to easy and intuitive changes in the game and then checking the effects and detailed analysis of the consequence of decisions made.